Welcome to ClearTask. Today you will learn how to easily draw a triangle with marked angles in Microsoft Word. To begin, open your Word document and go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. Click on Shapes and select the right triangle from the list. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and drag your mouse onto the page to draw the triangle. Holding Shift keeps the proportions perfect. With the triangle selected, go to the Shape Format tab. Click on Shape Fill and choose No Fill. Then click on Shape Outline, go to Weight, and increase it to 3 points so the lines are clearly visible. Now let us mark the angles. For the 90-degree corner, go back to Insert, select Shapes and choose the rectangle. Draw a small square inside the right angle corner. Just like before, set its shape fill to no fill and the shape outline to 3 points. For the other angles, return to Insert and select Shapes, but this time pick the arc shape. Hold Shift, draw a small arc and set its outline to 3 points. You can change its color to make it stand out. Rotate the arc and place it inside one of the sharp corners. Use the yellow adjustment handles if you need to change its curve. To mark the third angle, press Ctrl D to duplicate the arc, rotate it, and drag it to the remaining corner. To add the angle measurements, go to Insert, select Shapes, and draw a text box near one of your corners. Type your angle number like 90. To add the degree symbol, go to Insert, click Symbol, and choose the degree sign. Select the text box, go to Shape Format, and select No Fill and No Outline, so only the text remains visible. You can press Ctrl D to duplicate this text box for the other corners, and simply update the numbers. And there you have it, a clean professional triangle with marked angles. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.